Replacing your windows is a significant investment that enhances your home's aesthetics, energy efficiency, and overall value. However, to ensure that your new windows continue to perform optimally for years to come, proper maintenance is essential. Whether you live in Washington, D.C., or Tysons, the varying climate conditions, from humid summers to chilly winters, make regular window upkeep a priority. Here's a comprehensive guide to maintaining your windows after replacement to maximize their lifespan and functionality. Regular cleaning for longevity and clarity. Keeping your windows clean not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also prevents dirt and debris from damaging the glass and frames. Here's how to clean your windows effectively. Glass cleaning. Use a mild, non-abrasive glass cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water to remove smudges, fingerprints, and dust. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage coatings or tints. Frame and sill cleaning. Use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe down window frames and sills, removing dust and grime. For vinyl or aluminum frames, a mild soap solution works best. Track and screen maintenance. Dirt and debris can accumulate in window tracks, making them difficult to open or close. Use a vacuum or small brush to remove debris, followed by a damp cloth for deeper cleaning. Inspect and maintain seals and caulking. Your window seals and caulking play a vital role in preventing air leaks and moisture infiltration. Over time, they may deteriorate due to exposure to extreme weather conditions. To maintain their effectiveness, check for cracks or gaps. Inspect the seals and caulking around the windows at least twice a year to ensure there are no gaps or cracks. Reapply caulk as needed. If you notice peeling or cracked caulking, reapply a high-quality, weather-resistant caulk to maintain insulation and prevent water damage. Monitor for condensation. Excessive condensation between double-pane windows can indicate a seal failure, requiring professional repair or replacement. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. Proper lubrication ensures that windows open and close effortlessly. Over time, friction can cause wear and tear, making them difficult to operate. Here's how to maintain moving parts. Use a silicone-based lubricant. Apply a small amount to hinges, locks, and tracks to keep them functioning smoothly. Avoid greasy or heavy oils. Thick lubricants attract dust and debris, which can clog mechanisms and make movement harder. Check locks and latches. Ensure locks and latches engage properly for security and energy efficiency. Protect against harsh weather conditions. DC and Tysons experience fluctuating weather conditions, from hot and humid summers to freezing winters. Protect your windows from the elements by installing storm windows or protective film. These help reduce UV exposure, prevent fading of interior furnishings, and add an extra insulation layer. Using weather stripping. Adding weather stripping around windows can help minimize drafts and improve energy efficiency. Monitoring for water damage. Ensure that no water is seeping through window seals, especially after heavy rains. Address minor repairs promptly. Minor window issues, if ignored, can lead to significant damage and costly repairs. Common problems to watch for include loose or damaged hardware. Tighten any loose screws or replace damaged latches and handles. Cracks or chips in glass. Small cracks can expand over time. If you notice any damage, consult a professional to assess whether a repair or replacement is needed. Warping or sagging frames. If your window frames start to warp due to moisture exposure, address the issue immediately to prevent further structural damage. Schedule professional inspection. Even with diligent maintenance, having a professional inspect your windows annually can help identify potential issues early. Window experts can assess seal integrity, glass efficiency, and structural stability to ensure long-term performance. Final thoughts. Maintaining your newly replaced windows in DC and Tysons is essential for preserving their appearance, functionality, and energy efficiency. By incorporating regular cleaning, inspecting seals and caulking, lubricating moving parts, protecting against extreme weather, and addressing minor repairs promptly, you can ensure that your investment remains in top condition for years to come. If you ever encounter significant window issues, consulting a local professional can provide expert solutions and prevent costly replacements in the future. By staying proactive with your window maintenance, you can enjoy clear views, improved insulation, and hassle-free operation all year long.